The visions that enter into people's heads are not pleasant. This is where you are in a position health-wise where you no longer can take care of yourself. And you need, in effect, 24-hour care. Now that care might be provided in your home, it might be provided at a nursing home. You can either pay for that expense out of your savings and investments, or you can outsource that expense by owning long-term care insurance. So like any other type of insurance, long-term care insurance is risk management. Statistically, it's about 1 out of every 2 people at some point in their life are going to need long-term care. Now that doesn't mean that 1 out of 2 people need long-term care insurance, but we cannot control where our personal health goes. If there's a point at which you can no longer take care of yourself, or the people around you can no longer take care of you, then somebody has to, and that's expensive. So from an insurance standpoint, you're paying a relatively small amount to mitigate those costs later in life. Now I'll give you one example how long-term care insurance fits into overall financial planning with our firm, because we are an independent insurance brokerage firm as well. Let's say that long-term care costs $7,000 a month where you live. Well, if you need long-term care, to state the obvious, you are not yet dead. The reason why I say that is you're still receiving Social Security income. You're still receiving pension income. And so let's say your Social Security income is $3,000 a month, and you have this $7,000 expense. Sometimes an insurance agent will say, well, for this $7,000 a month problem, you need a policy to pay $7,000 a month in benefits. However, if you get into that situation, the policy pays the full expense of the long-term care, but the $3,000 Social Security check shows up in your mailbox that you can't even walk out to get. So I would rather coordinate your long-term care policy with the $3,000 Social Security payment, so you get a policy that fits your situation that covers $4,000 a month of benefit along with your $3,000 Social Security, so you're not overpaying for insurance premiums for a benefit down the line.